My name is Kyle Chua. You can call me Kyle, and I'm the captain of the chess team. So my preparations are just simple. I play a lot of games, practicing chess in general, improving where I can improve.
My name is Kaden Singh. I am part of table tennis varsity, and I am their captain. Previous season was filled with multiple setbacks that impacted the entire varsity. We definitely need to improve on our in-game strategy. As well, table tennis is a physical sport where having an athletic body matters. The position and making the most out of what is happening in-game also matters.
My name is Brianna C., captain of the women's badminton varsity. We have devoted several periods of time to happier team building in order to foster camaraderie and support our workers.
Hi, my name is Peach Orbel Nino, wearing jersey number 9, and I've made the setter and co-captain of the MGC volleyball team. Built on the school's foundation of Christian values and inspired by the love of playing our sport, our team strives to embody a more well-rounded, efficient, and Christ-centered system in order for us to be able to maximize our fullest potential.
Hi, I'm Carl Yuen. I'm the captain of the MGC basketball team. I'm number 8 and I play point guard position. We're definitely a better team this season. We've improved a lot under the guidance of our coaches, and we played more games together, so we are a more complete team now. We're ready to play all for the glory of God.
Come and support us at the upcoming PCYA Season 11
To see gold, silver, and bronze back in MGC.
Let's go New Life!
Let's go MGC!
Let's go MGC New Life!
Hi, my name is Jose Ramos. I'm the team captain and guard for the Una High School basketball team.
My name is Steven Choa, co-captain and forward for the Uno basketball team. 我们在进攻和防守端都需要更好的配合和沟通。
We learned that we need to communicate better, that we must learn how to play better as a team, and most importantly, we need to improve on our defense and shooting skills.
我们很有信心，在团队的共同努力下，将带领我们取得一个成功的赛季。
You can expect us to give our best in every single game.
To my fellow Unions, we invite you to come watch our games in the upcoming PCYA Season 11.
老师、家长们，来看我们比赛吧
Let's go Uno!
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy! Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy!
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $999. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
My name is Kyle Chua, you can call me Kyle, and I'm the captain of the chess team. So my preparations are just simple, I play a lot of games, practicing chess in general, improving where I can improve.
My name is Kaden Singh, I am part of Table Tennis Varsity and I am their captain. Previous season was filled with multiple setbacks that impacted the entire varsity. We definitely need to improve on our in-game strategy. As while table tennis is a physical sport, where having an athletic body matters, the position and making the most out of what is happening in-game also matters.
My name is Brianna C., captain of the women's badminton varsity. We have devoted several periods of time to happier team building in order to foster camaraderie and support our workers.
Hi, my name is Peach Orbel Nino, wearing jersey number 9, and I've made the setter and co-captain of the MGC volleyball team. Built on the school's foundation of Christian values and inspired by the love of playing our sport, our team strives to embody a more well-rounded, efficient, and Christ-centered system in order for us to be able to maximize our fullest potential.
Hi, I'm Carl Yuen. I'm the captain of the MGC basketball team. I'm number 8 and I play point guard position. We're definitely a better team this season. We've improved a lot under the guidance of our coaches, and we played more games together, so we are a more complete team now. We're ready to play all for the glory of God.
Come and support us at the upcoming PCYA Season 11
to see gold, silver, and bronze back in MGC.
Let's go, New Life!
Let's go, MGC!
Let's go MGC New Life!
Hi, my name is Jose Ramos. I'm the team captain and guard for the Uno High School basketball team.
My name is Steven Choa, co-captain and forward for the Uno basketball team. 我们在进攻和防守端都需要更好的配合和沟通。
We learned that we need to communicate better, that we must learn how to play better as a team, and most importantly, we need to improve on our defense and shooting skills.
我们很有信心，在团队的共同努力下，将带领我们取得一个成功的赛季。
You can expect us to give our best in every single game.
To my fellow Unions, we invite you to come watch our games in the upcoming PCYA Season 11.
老师、家长们，来看我们比赛吧
Let's go Uno!
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, up to 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
Dajiahao, 我们现在在上义中学杨义珠体育馆现场直播菲律宾青年体育协会的活动。Chris King de la Cruz on the call here together with my good friend Coach Joseph Guillon for the blockbuster matchup today here in the Philippine Qingyan Athletic Association. And our first game will be against Uno High School, meeting up against MGC New Life Christian Academy, and later this evening we have St. Jude Catholic School battling Jubilee Christian Academy. Coach Joseph, magandang hapon sa iyo. At itong match at hand natin, no? Uno High School and MGC New Life Christian Academy. Anong bigat nitong laban na to ngayong unang laro?
I want to welcome everyone to our playoffs right now. So tingnan muna natin dito itong current standings natin with St. Stephen's still leading with 6-1. Ito yung pinaglalabanan natin ngayon, which is number 2 spot. The winner will be going to number 2 and got the twice to beat advantage. It's between MGC and Uno. So and second game natin mamaya, it's between St. Jude Catholic School and Jubilee Christian Academy. While yung pace naman, mag-aantayin dito kung sino yung matatalo. Yun yung mga kalaban nila sa quarterfinals.
And yun nga po ang bigat ng implications ng mga laro natin ngayong hapong ito. Then we see on our screens are three officials, John Cabiles, Buddy Guanizo, and Danny Rivera, to keep order in this game, this first game, to determine the number 2 seed of the next phase of this tournament, which is the semifinals. Yung semifinals natin, Coach Joseph, paano bang format niyan? Pag nakapasok ito, let's say either MGC or Uno.
Technically, the 1 and 2 will wait for the result of the quarterfinals, which is happening probably this Thursday or Saturday. Pag ikaw yung 1 and 2, akala 1 will be against number 4, and 2 will be against the winner of the game between St. Jude Catholic and Jubilee
Christian Academy.
So, kung sino yung mananalo dito, they're gonna get that twice a bit advantage as a number 2 team here in the season 11 of the PCYAA.
At ang haba rin ang magiging pahinga ng mananalo dito sa itong laro na to, no? Dahil maghihintay pa sila nung knockout matches ng mga lower seeds. Madidesisyon na naman later sa ating second game between St. Jude Catholic School and Jubilee Christian Academy. And we see here in your screen, Coach Matthew Yu ang magtitimon sa mga naka-asul ng Uno High School. And ngayon naman makikita natin Coach John Sia directing his boys from the MGC New Life Christian Academy as we go underway for this matchup, this first game of the 11th season of the Philippine Qingyuan Athletic Association, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum.
Balikan lang natin dito yung elimination game nitong dalawang team na to, which ended at 70-72. At nakuha ng MGC yung panalo na yon. Going to the fourth quarter, MGC got 16-point lead in that game, and Uno came back to tie the game into 70, pero with the heroics of Adam Uy, nakuha nila yung panalo na doon with a slim 2-point margin. Exciting yung game na to kasi from the elimination pa lang, binigyan na tayo ng magandang laro. So, what else more if the number 2 spot is on the line?
We expect this to live to its billing as Uno High School grabs first possession for this ball game. Austin Ramos from way beyond and makes it.
The captain introduces himself right away here in the first quarter, getting that first shot in the first basket here in this ball game.
Adrian Tan wanting to answer from the corner, but he failed on that try. And Austin Ramos being assertive for his offense. Maturing na rin to role kay Austin Ramos, no, given few games back, no. Learning process, no. Natalo sila sa Pace Academy, they had a chance, no, really to go straight up dun sa standings, but nagkaroon ng stumbling block, and ayan, tumira uli sa tres. Mari, second serving there, no good. Steven Choa, 3-point shot on the way, no good.
That's the third attempt on the 3-point line of this Uno High School. They're not attacking inside the paint. Buti na yung isa doon, yung putback basket dito ni Mari. I think they should assert the aggressiveness here early in the first quarter to give pwede mo ida-drive. You can drive.
You can drop off to your big man inside. You have a tall guy there, Jarvis Mari inside, matching up against Sutinko of MGC New Life. That will be a good matchup here for this game. Two bigs, effective for both of their teams. Second free throw there, miss. Mari secures the board. Austin Ramos now, forward pass. Choa, Bautista, fourth 3-point attempt, no good. MGC New Life attacking. Adam Uy, the usual suspect for MGC New Life. driving baseline. Kicks it out to Adam Uy, short of the 3. Floater, no good. Uno secures the rebound now. Austin Ramos signaling the play. 8 minutes, 25 seconds remaining in the first. Stephen Showa nodding there. Trey Shua secures the board.
Another attempt from the outside for the Blue Pandas. Right there. So talagang hirap sila dun sa depensa ng MGC. Kita naman natin, hindi sila makadrive dun.
Wild shot there by Carl Rie. Secured now by the white shirts. Austin Ramos battered by Trey Chua. The long hands of Trey Chua there. Goes all the way. Nothing there. But possession will go back to the white shirts of Uno High School. 7 minutes, 46 seconds remaining. 3-1 is our score. MGC New Life Christian Academy would want a crack on the field goal. Scored on the free throw earlier. Austin Ramos, J.M. Bautista looking for a friend. Ian Perez, battered by 2 green shirts. And he will commit a 3-second violation, battered by the good defense of the interior players of MGC New Life Academy.
Still, wala pa rin field goals dito. Itong Uno, since that the first shot ito ni Austin. Pero actually, both team has no, mas palala dito sa MGC. They already scored for the free throw for Carl Yue. And then it still has a drought to the almost 3 minutes now in the first quarter.
Mari now being battered by 2 green shirts underneath. Austin Ramos kicks it out. J.M. Bautista, Stephen Choa, but again, good defense now by MGC New Life Christian Academy, forcing that turnover. Stephen Choa, unusual, no? Committing that rivaling violation. 7 minutes and change remaining in the first. Masyadong tipiran ang opensa dito na magkabilang kupunan, Coach Joseph.
Yeah, masyadong tipiran, masyadong gipitan yung depensahan nitong dalawang team na to. Kaya, kumbaga, the battle of zone pressure yung ginagawa nitong dalawang team na to. Kaya, yun. That's the shot na binibigay ito ng Uno para dito sa MGC. Ganun din yung binibigay ng MGC para dito sa Uno. So both team has a 1 3-point field goal here in the first quarter. It's the second now here para dito sa Uno.
Jarvis Murray doing damage inside. Usual shot there. Trey Chua from way beyond is good. 2 consecutive 3-point shots from MGC New Life Christian Academy. 7-5. Lamang sila. 6 minutes, 16 seconds to first quarter. J.M. Bautista answers back from Abad Santos Avenue.
Raining trees here early in the first quarter. Akala natin both team di nakakashoot. Simula na nabutas na. Tuloy-tuloy na.
So Tinko cleans it up. Yun yung kabutihan ng meron kang isang matangkad, malaki effective na guy sa loob na pwedeng maglinis ng basura. Ray Chua skying high for that rebound. Carl Rie challenging Ramos, but ball was stripped. Austin Ramos now 2-on-1 fast break, and he will finish.
Look at the change of pace of Austin right there. He goes for on 100, then goes to 80, and then he goes up straight for 100. Ibig sabihin yan, kumbaga, hindi kitang-kita yung, kumbaga, dinahandahan niya si Trey. Kasi alam niya, pag diniretso dun, palpala abutin niya.
And he used his body well to really protect the ball. 20 seconds on the shot clock for Uno High School. Stephen Choa will try to find a friend. Austin Ramos, 12 seconds to shoot. Ian Perez tries from deep, no good. Aldrie secures a board. And that's Adrian Tan. Adam Uy now uses that Sutinto screen, battered by 2 white shirts. Carl Rie pulls up. No good, but Adrian Tan was there for the cleanup job. 10-11, MGC New Life Christian Academy seizes the lead. 4 minutes, 18 seconds in the first. And Jarvis Mary was clobbered there. I think it will go against Sotinko, his first personal foul. Second team foul for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Grand C coming in now. Embracing Jarvis Mari. 14 seconds to shoot now for the white shirts.
Grand C, another workhorse big man para dito kay Coach Matthew. He's gonna assert his height and width here. At tulong dito yung Blue Pandas. Another threes right there. At ayan, sinasabi kong ginagawa ni Grand C. Even though he did not get that rebound, but his activity, keeping the ball alive, balik yung bola sa kanila with 14 seconds left here in the shot clock.
The things that we cannot list down dito sa ating score sheet, yun yung mga bagay na maibibigay sa iyo ng isang Grand C. As we see here, Steven Shoa running out of real estate on that corner drive try. Bola ngayon babalik sa panig ng MGC New Life Christian Academy. 3 minutes 55 seconds remaining in the first quarter. If you happen to be within the Tondo area, we invite you to join us live. Watch this game here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium of Uno High School here at the heart of Tondo, Manila, as we saw there a foul. Sean Lim, Maddox Lim, committing in first personal foul. Third team foul now for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Austin Ramos directing the play. Steven Choa now. Back to Austin Ramos from way beyond the second three-point attempt. No good for Austin Ramos. Adrian Tan secures the board. Carl Rien now. Bothered by two white shirts there. Adrian faking the pass. Wild shot there will be good for Adrian Tan. 12-10 is the count. MGC New Life Christian Academy 2-point lead against Uno High School. 3 minutes and change remaining in the first. And Steven Shoa finding his range from way beyond after several tries earlier to bring Uno High School up by 114-13. We have a foul here. Brad C. Nanggigil doon sa play na yun.
It's going to be the second time Carl Yue will be going to the line because he's go hard to the basket. So he splits in his first trip kanina. Hopefully he could make it out of two right here to bring back MGC back to 2.
One player that we're still searching is Riley Wee. Mr. Hat Hands himself for Coach John Sia. Di pa lumalaro dito. And
it's gonna be a violation, a goaltending violation for Grant C right there. When he jumped to that rebound, feeling ko sumabit lang yung daliri niya doon sa haba ng kamay nito. Sumabit, sakto yung bola nasa still on top of the rim. And then, yun, it's gonna be accounted for Carl Yue up there. So, balik yung kalamangan dito sa dalawa para sa MGC.
Nice find there inside Grant C. To Wang Tachi. Unselfish play there by Grant C. 15 all is the count. Jack Cheng, wild shot from way beyond nothing there. Steven Choa driving baseline. No good. Uy secures the letter for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Jacoby Urtan. From way beyond, no good. Jack Cheng, offensive rebound. Jacoby Tan, bothered by two white shirts, but there will be a foul.
It's going to be the first personal foul here for Steven Choa. Both team is doing a 1-3-1 defense. So parang naka-man zone yung datingan itong 1-3-1 itong Uno. What a good seal right there by Maddox Lim. So Jacoby is just go straight to the basket.
Nabigyan ng espasyo yung kakampi. Steven Choa lines up for his second 3-point shot of the game. 18-17, Uno High School seizes the lead by 1, but Lim want to answer from Masangkay. That will be good.
What a good extra pass right there. One more, yung tawag namin doon. One more pass right there on the corner.
Steven Choa, short, Wang Tachi. Second chance opportunity. Choa again from way beyond. Third 3-point shot from that guy, Steven Choa.
We started slow here in the first quarter with 3-1 in the first 3 minutes of the first quarter. But yun na nga, both team pick up the pace. Naunahan na ng 3 points. Umuulan na dito. And speaking of umuulan, Steven Choa hitting 3 3-pointers early in the first quarter.
There will be a foul there against Wesley Ko. Against a driving Austin Ramos. 4th team foul for MGC New Life Christian Academy. 18 seconds to shoot for the white shirts. John Yu one-hander floater but overcooks it. 40.8 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Coach Matthew Yu somehow live it with that rush shot. Plenty of time in the shot clock. Jacoby Tan using that Ko screen. Jack Cheng. Ko. Maddox Lim lines up a 3, no good. Austin Ramos off to the horses, zigzagging, kicks it out. Steven Choa with the hat hand, 14 seconds. Oh, miscommunication there for the white shirts. Lost opportunity for closing this quarter strong. Balik ang bola ngayon sa MGC New Life. Forward pass to Maddox Lim from Jacoby Tan will be good. 1 second, Austin Ramos. And that will do it for the first quarter of this game. We're all tied up at 21. Exciting things ahead. A lot of things at stake in this game. We'll be back. As we see here, the first quarter highlights brought to us by Smart Sports. Austin Ramos starting the party here. Grand C finding Wang Tachi inside. And this Jacoby Tan drive. And we will be back after these reminders.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we see here our sizable crowd, our dear Mang Henry, joining the Uno faithful today here at Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium of Uno High School. Proud Uneans waving the blue and white as we start the second quarter, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. There will be a foul. Austin Ramos committing his first personal foul, first team foul. 20 seconds to shoot for the green shirts rather of MGC New Life Christian Academy.
So that's the first foul of Austin. So Austin should be careful here. Alam naman natin dito lumabas buong first quarter sila ni Steven Choa. Now, Steven Chua is on the bench. So, siya na lang dito sa mga bataan ni Coach Matthew. Hindi pa lumalabas. And they're taking a break. They know the magnitude of this game. Sa alam niya kung ano nakasalalay dito. The twice to beat is on the line.
He was buttered there, but Grant C recovers it all for naught as he will step on the line for a backcourt violation. Ball possession will be back to the hands of the MGC New Life Christian Academy.
Austin walked to that press right there. Nilakad niya sa dalawang shock trooper dito ni Coach John Cia. Alam naman natin, yun yung strength nila Jacoby. Pag kaya sila nandyan, it's because of their defense.
Kaya siya pinasok niya si Jacoby at talagang kulitin yung Austin Ramos. Ayan, makikita natin, no? Austin Ramos kicks out to John Yu from way beyond. No good. Grancy was there. Still, no good. Jacoby now. Forward pass to Jack Cheng. Spinning. Wild shot. No good. Austin Ramos collects the board. But he loses the ball. But let's see. Last touch here.
The first quarter stats natin, 5 of 13 dito sa 3 points itong Uno. 2 out of 9 naman dito MGC. Kitang-kita natin dito na talagang the coaches also is letting the boys let it rain, di ba? Kumbaga talagang is letting the boys take the basket, kumbaga on the 3-point line.
With the magnitude of this game on the line, parang may lisensya ngayon ng lahat. Para lahat ng may tira. No, kaya kanina when I arrived early here, both teams are really, no? Aga din nilang nag-warm up dito. 18 seconds to shoot for the white shirts. JM Bautista, 3-point shot is good for JM Bautista. 24-21 now. 3-point lead for Uno High School. Law would want to answer back. Wild shot there, no good. Grand C back to JM Bautista. Would want to back, no good. Jacoby Tan will be fouled there on that rebound play.
It's an early shot right there by Bautista. I know he hit that first one, pero that's only the first pass yung natanggap niya. It's too early on that shot clock.
The offense was not really set, no? Yung mga kasama niya. Jarvis Mari, no? Yun ang isa sa mga dapat pag-aralan nitong batang player na to, yung pagiging foul prone niya, no? Laki kasi nang nawawala kay Coach Matthew pag nawala itong si Jarvis Mari.
I think Mari still have a year to play next season para dito sa Uno. Sila ni Grant. So the twin tower of Coach Matthew will still be there. Pero mga graduating seniors niya dito is Austin, Steven, Chua, Bautista. Yun yung mga gagraduate sa kanya dito.
Chua. Hop step. Wild shot. No good. Jarvis Mari offensive rebound. Baging buttered by 2 Winserts. And yun na nga. Naagaw na. Carl Weh. Challenging Steven Chua. Trey Chua from way beyond. No good. Steven Chua collects the board for Uno High School. JM Bautista. Steven Chua. Again. JM Bautista. No good from way beyond. 24-21. Still the count. 3-point lead for Uno High School. 7 minutes, 22 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Law kicks it out to Trey Chua. Mid-range jumper will be good.
Give credit to Lucas driving deep on that attempt. Kaya napilitan mag-help and a good closeout and a one dribble pull-up right there for Trey Chua. So balik dito si Sutinko and Adam Uy. So
Ko and Gamboa. Quality minutes for Coach John Cia.
So full court press na tayo dito para kay Coach Matthew.
And that's what Coach John Cia told me earlier. Bully ball ang nilalaro ng Uno as we saw there. Adam Uy starting his stroke from way beyond 26-24 now is the count. And good hustle there for Carl Re. Second personal foul of Steven Choa. Steven Choa must take care of his fouls here. Isa siya sa mga sinasandalan na ni Coach Matthew Yu. Silang dalawa ni Austin Ramos. Carl Re. Lucas Lo now. Back to Adam Uy. Yeah. Zigzags. And that will be good.
I think this is the largest lead of MGC. Kasi alam natin, in the first quarter, they have the 3-2. Ganun din naman sa Uno. The largest lead of Uno is 3. So ganun kadikitan yung laban natin dito. So bawi dito si Grant. Wala. Takbo ulit dito yung green shirts.
Uno being forced outside their comfort zones by the defense of MGC New Life Christian Academy. Nothing there from Lucas Lo. Jarvis Mary secures the board. Uno High School trying to get back closer. But traveling there by Steven C. being bothered by the defense on him.
Right there. Talagang nagbabother sa kanila dito yung 1-3-1 zone nitong MGC. So pag naka 1-3-1 kasi tapat-tapat sa guards dito eh. So talagang alam din ni Coach John paano tapatan dito yung mga guards ito ng Uno.
Seems that's the game plan of Coach John. Alam niya, dun din naman sa mga gwardya ng Uno, babagsak yung opensa. Kita natin ngayon, Austin Ramos being challenged by Lucas Lo. Tries to find a friend now. 12 seconds to shoot for Uno High School. Good defense by the green shirts. Ian Perez, still no good from mid-range. Eto na naman ang mga nakaberde ng MGC New Life Christian Academy. Harwe. Ray Chua against Ian Perez. Taking 3. Lucas Lo drops it to Sotinko. But he will be fouled there. Nice up fake move there by Sotinko. Napakagat si Jarvis Mari on that move.
Yun yung mangyayari. If every time you dive deep and you attack the basket, there's gonna be a reaction on defense. Now you're gonna find who reacted, and that's the time you're gonna have that drop pass. That time, Lucas found Sotinko right there. So Sotinko missed the first free throw. And he has a chance to put that as high as 5 here. Yung kalamangan nila dito sa second quarter.
Second free throw is good for Sotinko. Kurt Sotinko of that Jarvis Mari foul. 29-24 is our count now. 5-point lead for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Jarvis Mari. Ian Perez. Quick pass to Steven Choa, but he was blocked. Austin Ramos way beyond. Strong. And last touch by green shirts. Wala, mananatili sa Uno High School. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Austin Ramos looks at the teammates. Jarvis Mari. Quick three. That was short. Tumatakbo ngayon ng mga nakaberde, but pass was buttered by a man in white. And Coach John Sia would want to talk things over. 29-24 is our score lamang sila. Babalik po kami after this timeout.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
And we're back here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium. Good sized crowd here cheering the blue and white of Uno High School. At stake here, the number 2 placing at our standings. And if you have time to join us here, we are at the heart of Tondo, Manila. Coach Chris King de la Cruz here with Coach Joseph Guion. Adrian Tan, quick offense there, upping the lead of MGC New Life to 31-24, 7-point lead now.
What a good play right there yung ginawa dito ni Coach John Sia to keep that open jump shot to the free throw line. Sasagot dito yung Uno, wala. Takbo na naman dito yung mga nakaberde.
Uno High School being impatient with their offense. Buti na lang, lucky break for them. Hindi rin pumasok yung fast break na yun. But bad news for Coach Matthew Yu. Third personal foul of Steven Choa. Let's take a look here. That quick offensive play after a timeout. Adrian Tan, mid-range jumper is good. Carre, 2 free throws.
So yung adjustment dito yung ginawa ng MGC on the 1-3-1. They put Maddox or a tall guy yung ulo ng depensa nila, which is nandun palagi na pwesto si Austin to challenge Austin every time Austin take that shot. So alam naman natin dito kung sino yung talagang main focal point itong ng Uno is itong si Austin. So every time Austin pass that ball on the side, talagang ready to help naman na itong si Maddox. Ito nakikita nyo dito, this is the 1-3-1 formation na sinasabi ko na nakaulo dito si Maddox, na kumbaga nakalalay dito kay Austin.
And once you frustrate Austin like that, as the ball was turned over all the way, but Maddox slim cleanup job, anything but the basket. Lucky break here for Uno High School. I was saying earlier, once you frustrate Austin Ramos, it will spell problems for Uno High School, but not that time, as Ian Perez clocks in that corner 3.
Tawag natin doon, that's a 5-point swing, a miss on the other side, a 3 points on the other side. Kumbaga, namintis ka ng dalawa, natirahan ka pa ng 3 points.
Aram Uy gustong makabawi, at nabawi na nga from way beyond. Aram Uy, 34-27, 2 minutes 43 seconds remaining. MGC New Life Christian Academy. Austin Ramos no good for the 3-point shot, but there's a foul there. Hold against
I think that's
Kurt
Sutinko.
And Coach Matthew Yu calls for a ceasefire. 34-27 ang hinahabol nila laban sa MGC New Life Christian Academy. Magbabalik po kami.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Uno High School planning out things. Paano sila lalapit dito sa MGC New Life Christian Academy. We're at the 2-minute 38 seconds point of this first half. Coach Chris King de la Cruz kasama po Coach Joseph Guion, hinahatid sa inyo ang aksyon ng 11th season of the Philippine Chingyin Athletic Association, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. 14 seconds to shoot for Uno High School now. Austin Ramos, J.M. Bautista, out of the 3. Austin Ramos left, till layup. It will be good
What a drive right there by Austin Ramos. Now they're gonna call for a
Grand C being assessed of a warning here. Delay of the game warning. Adam Uy gives it to Ko, but he was clobbered downstairs by Austin Ramos.
So an extra motion right there nakita ng referee natin. Automatic tumama dito sa ulo ni Austin. So we're gonna have a replay. You're gonna be the judge there who's watching right there. Pero here in our angle, partner, talagang sakto eh. Boom.
Ayun, may pagbaba. Tingnan uli natin, no? The foul was there and the elbow was also there for Wesley Ko. Emotions running high here among the players. Kung yun naman talagang number 2 spot, no? Ito, nakita natin better angle here. Ayun. Austin Ramos. Let's see what our referees and officials, no? Official ruling will be.
Nagkausap kami dito ni Coach Matthew before the game. And he shared na a wake-up call for them yung natalo sila sa pace because they approached that game with complacency. And they admitted that they're relaxed in that game kaya sila natalo doon. Pero yun na nga, nakabawi naman sila. And they're trying to bring their A game kung anong dala-dala na doon against the number 1 team na St. Stephen, how they beat St. Stephen. Ganun din yung aim nila na dalhin nila ditong laro dito sa against MGC. Alam naman natin, yun na nga, on the last game of elimination, MGC beat them by 70-72 and MGC got the lead as high as 16 early in the fourth quarter. Pero yun na nga, the last 5 minutes, bumalik sila, naitabla nila at the end of the day. Their effort, kumbaga nagkulang pa. Pero now, they have the chance now to redeem that loss. Now, mas kagandahan doon, makukuha mo yung number 2 spot.
It was their first loss during the elimination round for Uno High School. That loss against MGC, New Life Christian Academy. Austin Ramos now shooting 2 free throws. Austin Ramos playing a key role here. Yun nga yung pag-usapan din namin, no? Sa conversation ko naman with Mr. Milton Yu. No? Austin Ramos must really know that he's the heart and soul of this Uno High School team and he must really take on a mature role to be a leader to your teammates. No? Leadership by example.
Being the team captain, so talagang malaking responsibility ito para sa kanya, knowing that the team captain kumbaga heart and soul ka pa ng team as a point guard also and a graduating senior, kumbaga lahat na yun naka-angkla na ngayon yan sa likod mo, lahat na yun, kumbaga lahat na yun dinadala-dala mo sa larong to.
Ball tap out by a green shirt. 8 seconds on the shot clock for Uno High School. Ito si Austin Ramos, yun nga, no? Yung maturity. Kailangan mag-start ngayon laro na to. Ang gusto nila talaga, no? To really advance further deeply into this tournament as empty possession there for Uno High School. MGC, New Life Christian Academy. Adrian Todd now back in the ball game. Carre. Back to Wesley Ko. Yeah, driving, reverse, challenging Grand C there. But Grand C will be fouled underneath.
What a good defense right there by Grand C. Keeping his hands high there. Pick up a foul. Balik yung bola dito sa kanila. Sabi nga natin, ito si Austin. Still, walang chance na uupo to si Austin eh. If he can go 40 minutes here in this ball game, probably Coach Matthew will gotta do it.
I think that would be the trend. Steven Chowa sitting down with 3 personal fouls. Austin Ramos getting the bulk now the offense as he tries again his hand from the 3-point land. No good. Scramble for the loose ball won by the boys in
the
green.
Effort of Grant right there against 3 green shirts. Kung nakuha niya pa dyan, it's gonna be a good rebound. Pero yun na nga. Oh, munti ka na dun.
Adam Uy fishing for that hoop and the harm try. Ian Perez, second personal. Also a valuable cog for Coach Matthew Yu. Ian Perez. Let's see the replay there. Yun. Gets the bump there.
This is the second free throw ni Adam.
Adam Uy.
I love the crowd right here para dito sa MGC. Even though that they're outnumbered because this is the home court of the Blue Pandas, pero they're here try to support their troops.
Talagang may mga talagang unusual supporters na pumunta dito ngayong araw na to. Forward pass to Adam Uy. Challenges J.M. Bautista and he will be successful on the try.
They got the largest lead right now in the ball game with 8 points lead here. Papunta tayo sa break natin.
38 to 30 is our count. 39 seconds remaining in the first half. Austin Ramos. Sarado ang pintuan. Lucky break for him. Foul was called there in that possession. Adam Uy being called for that personal foul.
The coaching staff of MGC is vivid right on the sideline because natrap na nila dun si Austin eh. Wala nang pupuntahan. And natawagan pa ng foul. Kumbaga, for them, it's a bailout call. Wow, what a drive right there. Ian Perez.
Ian Perez frustrating 2 green shirts there inside. 38 to 32, last 20 seconds. Carl Reyes spinning, empty possession. Trey Chua recovering it. Fall away, still no good for the green shirts. Austin Ramos, 8 seconds remaining. Up and under, no good. He gets his own miss. And second serving will be good for Austin Ramos. And that would be it for our first half of action. Lamang po ang MGC New Life Christian Academy. 38 to 34 laban sa Uno High School. Exciting game to dispute the number 2 seed going into the quarterfinals. We will be back after the halftime break.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
And we are now at halftime of this game, 38-34. Lamang po ang MGC New Life Christian Academy ng 4 laban sa Uno High School. Pinaglalabanan po natin dito kung sino ang hahawak ng pangalawang pwesto sa ating standings going into the playoffs, as we now bring you the halftime highlights brought to us by Sports.
Yeah, you can see here there in your screen, it's a back and forth battle para dito sa blue and green here in this ball game. Actually, MGC got their largest lead by 8, pero a 4-0 run to end the quarter para dito sa Blue Pandas to end the quarter with 34-38. May baba nila yung kalamangan sa 4.
See here, Ian Perez challenging 2 green shirts underneath, frustrating them. Actually, no, undersized dun si Ian Perez. As we see now the halftime numbers, Coach Joseph, ano ang naging epektibo para sa magkabilang koponan?
Makita nyo dito, itong field goals. Diretso na tayo dito sa pangalawa, 7 out of 24 dito sa 3 points first in field goals para dito sa Uno, 4 out of 14 naman sa MGC. Sabi nga natin dito, nagpapaulan itong dalawang team na to. Pero pinagkaiba lang nila dito is the turnover that leading to the fast break points dito para sa MGC. Kaya sila talaga nakakuha ng kalamangan dito sa first half.
Let's expect adjustments from these 2 able tacticians here. Coach Matthew Yu for the Uno High School and Coach John Sia for the MGC New Life Christian Academy. As we see here, the sea of blue and white. Proud Unean says the Commissioner's Row Coach Janelle Baculiar, Commissioner. Third quarter here, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum underway. Uno High School getting the crack, the possession here, the second half. Empty possession there.
The first possession again para dito sa Uno is a 3-point attempt para dito kay Austin. So they keep on challenging that shot ni Austin kasi hindi naman ganun at hindi naman ni Steph Curry tumitiran na yan. So every time there's a guy in front of you trying to get the shot, magataasa mo lang ng kamay. Ito yung mga mag-iiba yung laro natin dito. Kasi si Steven Choa got 3 fouls. He will be stay aggressive on the offense or he will be stay aggressive on defense. Yan kasi yung kaya hindi rin maupo ni Coach Matthew. Itong si Austin kanina on the first half kasi nga nawala yung second scorer nila dito na si Steven Choa.
Steven Choa being in the ball game, high stakes, high reward here for Coach Matthew. As Trey Choa knocks in that long 2, 40-34 is our count. MGC New Life Christian Academy. Austin Ramos signaling play number 3 for the blue and white. Drive is Mari. Floater is no good. Arlue secures a board.
A good attempt right there by Mari. Pero yun na nga, yung bola pinili lumabas ng ring doon. Pero good find him in the middle. Pero more of that sa binibigay ng depensa ng MGC, kailangan mo butasin yun. Speaking of butasin, ayun na nga. Another 3 para dito kay Trey Chua to start here in the third quarter with 5 points here in this quarter.
Matchup nightmare. Trey Chua from that Sotinko kick out. Mari inside, fall away, no good. Trey Chua secures the board. MGC New Life Christian Academy running now. Adam Uy steps back, short, and ball will go back to the blue and white of Uro High School with 7 minutes 55 seconds remaining here in their third canto. 43-34, waligtaran po ang ating score pabor sa mga nakaberde ng MGC New Life. Give and go, attempt there. Up and thunder! Good for Steven Choa.
That's the 11th point of Steven Choa. Siya the leading scorer dito ng Uno. Next dito si Austin with 10. Kaya ganun ka-vital. Nung nakuha yung third foul niya yun. Look at this killy shot. He get that foul against kay Sotinko. That's the third foul also of Kurt Sotinko. Kaya balik siya dito sa bench because they cannot afford for him to get that fourth.
12 points now for Steven Choa in this ball game. Nabanggit mo nga talagang sugal to no?
Oh yes, alam na nga natin. Si Austin nga wala nang upuan dito sa game natin. Mga Steven, ganoon na rin. Kasi hindi rin kakayanin ni Austin mag-isa
The personnel, no? Kita naman natin itong Akuno High School. They're really good for 8 to 9 player rotation. So here, Adam Uy goes to his left, but he will be fouled there going upstairs.
No fanciness on that drive. He says go one in out and go hard. Straight to the basket. Yung mga kailangan makita ng mga bata ngayon, hindi mo kailangan ng ibang moves. Kumbaga, just gonna go straight to the basket and let the referee sees that you go hard and you're gonna get the reward. Now, the reward is here. You're gonna shoot 2 free throw.
Basic basketball by Adam Uy. Something to learn from mga batang nanonood. Second free throw. Trip to the charity. Successful for Adam Uy, who now has 11 points in the ball game for MGC New Life Christian Academy. 45-37 is our count. Ian Perez fakes a pass, but he was bothered by 3 green shirts. Tumatakbo ngayon ang mga nakaberde. Carl We loses the ball momentarily. Kicks it out. Adrian Dan pulls up from mid-range. It's good.
Now, after leading only by 4, now they lead by 10 to get the largest lead here in the third quarter. So yun na nga, hinahanap nila dito pa rin si Mari. Hindi niya pa rin makabutas dito sa third quarter. Wow, what a scoop shot right there by Ian Perez. Kailangan nila, they badly needed that shot because MGC is running right now.
Ian Perez, wild shot there. Trey Chua turns around. No good. Steven Choa outnumbered. Wait for the cavalry. Austin Ramos gives it to J.M. Bautista. Steven Choa bothered by Adam Uy. And yun na nga, good defense there Active hands by Adam Uy, frustrating Steven Cho on that possession. Gaining turnover. Balik ngayon sa mga naka-berde ang bola. 47-39 the count now. 8-point lead for MGC New Life Christian Academy. 6 minutes, 5 seconds remaining. Quick pass inside to Rechua to Adrian Tan.
As a coach, yung mga ayaw mong pasa yung mga gamit the 3-point line, yung manakaw, parang backdoor yung datingan. Talaga, kumbaga yung bola, ang layo ng tinakbo, talaga wala man lang nakadeflect sa kanila doon.
Quick ball movement there by the green shirts, and ito na nga, they secure again the letter. Offense now, play number 4 ang isinesenyas ni Carl Re. 49-39. Adam Uy, no good on that layup. Austin Ramos now. Forward pass to J.M. Bautista. Talk about the 3. Steven Joa would try it, but he will come up short. Lots of time remaining in the shot clock.
So nag-iba rin dito yung depensa ng Uno. They're gonna go for the man-to-man half court here. So kita natin doon sa replay na yun.
Quick ball movement being employed by the green shirts to frustrate the defense of Uno High School. Ho. Lim, step back, 3. Malakas. But ball will remain with MGC New Life Christian Academy. 10 seconds to shoot on their shot clock.
Batiin ko lang, one of our viewers is Coach Steven Tan, watching right now in our live stream. Nagmo-monitor din kung ano yung mangyayari dito sa laban ng battle for number 2.
Carl Re missing totally that left-handed layup from the baseline. Nabati ko rin ng ating kasamahan si Coach Jason De Gollado, nanonood ng UST Senior High School. 49-39 still our count. 4 minutes 51 seconds remaining. Uno High School now, balik sa kanila ang possession. Screen by Grand C. Nice find underneath. Austin Ramos to JM Bautista.
What a good find right there by Austin to Bautista. Ito yung dalawang player ni Coach Matthew. Kumbaga parang hindi niya na nauupo sa game natin dito.
Meanwhile, Jack Cheng providing quality minutes here with that strong drive to the hoop using his left hand. 51-41, 10-point lead still for the MGC New Life Christian Academy. There will be a foul. Jacoby Tan, first personal foul for Jacoby. Third team foul now for the green shirts. 16 seconds to shoot now.
If you're Coach John Cia, we're gonna take that foul with Jacoby. We're gonna let him stay aggressive on defense. Kasi yun naman talaga yung reason bakit siya nandyan Kumbaga, pangkulit mo kay Austin, pambantay mo. Look at that. Muntik na naman siya nakaagaw.
Zigzag move there for Grancy, no good. John Yu thinking about Ree. Austin Ramos against Maddox Lim. Strong. Balik sa mga nakaberde ngayon ng bola. Jacoby Tan driving. Gives it to Ko. Gamboa. Maddox Lim. Oh, no one there. Nag-expect siya ng kakat dun sa backdoor. Wala nga lang kumat. Turnover.
It's just a miscommunication there for the two green shirts. So, balik dito. Yung bola sa Uno. Nakikita naman natin ulit dito. Yung 1-3-1 defense itong MGC. Now, we're gonna try to locate Austin on the corner. But Austin has a chance to get the ball on the right wing. And the first 3 points to the first basket of Austin here in the second half.
Austin Ramos successful on that try from the 3. Ito naman susubok Maddox Lim. Malakas. Uno recovers the ball. Austin Ramos, pop in form, 3, no good. John Yu secures the leather. John Yu, corner, 3, short. Maddox Lim.
That could have been brought the house down because all the students here, the crowd of the Uno is already standing up, anticipating that basket.
Lahat ng estudyante dito nakataas yung kamay kasama yung referee. Empty possession there from MGC New Life. Austin Ramos being bothered by 2 green shirts now. One touch she, Grant C barreling his way inside for that layup. 51-46, 5-point lead.
After down by 10, they're only down by 5 with 2 minutes left here to the third quarter. They still have the chance to finish this quarter strong, but look at that drive by Maddox Lim right there. Oh, balik yung kalamangan dito sa 7.
Pamatay sunog na drive a Maddox Lim. J.M. Bautista again from way beyond, no good. MGC New Life Christian Academy, Jacoby Tan, but turns the ball over. Uno High School now, 3-on-2. Austin Ramos challenges 3 white shirts there and was successful.
This guy knows how to finish the basket using his body. You get that the 1-3-1 zone. Itong bibigay dito ng Uno. Binilik nila itong depensa, pero yun na nga, pinadaan lang nila doon.
Jack Cheng, yung papektus sa ilalim, ang ganda.
Hindi nakakatulong itong yung run na yun. At look at Jacoby Tan forcing an 8 seconds violation. Balik yung bola sa kanila dito.
Jacoby Tan doing his job well and taking his well-deserved rest with 1 minute 15 seconds remaining here in our third. 55-48 MGC New Life Christian Academy keeping Uno High School at bay. Every time na merong paglapit ang Uno, may pagsagot din.
Actually, yan yung napag-usapan namin ni Coach James kanina. May 4 silang laro. Lamang sila ng fourth quarter. Sa 4 na yun, 2 came from behind win. It's St. Stephen and Jubilee. And 2 doon, naipanalo nila. Napatigil tayo doon, Chris, sa tira na yun.
That was a circus shot.
Yan niya sabi.
Step by Maddox Lim.
Sabi niya, that game, magbibigay sa kanila ng, kumbaga, they give them a character and an experience. So yun yung dala-dala nila, papasok dito sa playoffs, yung mga ganong klaseng laro na inilaro nila on the elimination.
Seems that these boys, no, they've already built a certain character and identity. They're in the lead now, 55-48. Adam Uy thinking about the 3. Side steps using the left hand. It will be good for Adam Uy. 57-48, 9-point lead for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Last 31 seconds of this third quarter, keeping Uno High School frustrated at this point. Austin Ramos being bothered by 2 green shirts. Good defense there. Forward pass. Maddox Limbot.
Wow!
Was bothered by Austin Ramos.
What a block right there.
Possession.
Ay, Austin Ramos. Mabigyan tayo ng replay dito ni Derek.
Let's see here. Tumingin pa sa likod. But Austin Ramos was there. Focus in blocking that shot. Shot clock now is off. 13.7 seconds remaining. Adam Uy. Uno High School. Forward pass to Steven Choa all the way. 57-50. Last 2 seconds. Hardway. And that would be it. 57-50. MGC New Life Christian Academy up by 7 points against Uno High School at the end of the third. We will be right back to bring you the fourth quarter as we now bring you the third quarter highlights brought to us by Smart Sports. See here, Ian Perez, that circus shot. Ian Perez providing quality minutes for Coach Matthew Yu. And that quick pass, Austin Ramos to JM Bautista. But this guy, Jack Cheng, providing quality minutes for Coach John Sia, which is why they're on the lead, 57-50. And that block, monster block by Austin Ramos, will be back for the fourth quarter. Back here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Gymnasium, dumadagungdong po ang ating venue. Sea of blue and white as we bring you the fourth quarter of this game, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Grand C hopping from 3, no good. Jarvis Mari, still no good inside.
Tama yung sinabi mo, still. Hindi pa rin makabutas dito sa second half itong si Mari, even though they had good position right there. So they're only down by 7 right now with the start of the fourth quarter. And the elimination nga, sabi nga natin they're down by 16. Nagawa nila ng paraan yun. Ito pa kaya, napito lang.
Good job by Coach Jan Chia checking Jarvis Mari. Norms of 6 points per game. Ngayon 2 points lang. 7 rebounds, malayong malayo sa usual production ni Jarvis Mari. Adrian Tan kicks it out to Ko. Trey Chua driving. Circle shot, it's no good. Austin Ramos now surveying the field for Uno High School. 17 to shoot. Kicks it out to Steven Chua from the corner. Strong Carl Ray secures a board for MGC New Life Christian Academy.
Ulitin natin sa mga nakaka-tune in lang po dito sa atin. Sa battle for number 2, yung matatalo dito, makakalaban ng PCC for the quarterfinals. Even though that you're lost, if you lost here, you're gonna still gain that twice even advantage in the quarters. Pero you have a chance right now to get the number 2. Why not, diba? Kaya itong dalawang team nito, nagpapatayan dito sa larong to.
Hindi ka nadadaan doon sa mahabang proseso.
Oh yes,
tapos
you're
may
just gonna be there. Yes. Mag-aantay ka na lang doon. Antay mo na lang din yung labanan doon sa quarterfinals. You have a chance to rest and to prepare.
All the players leaving everything in the court as Trey Chua zigzagging, changing hands in air, successful on that drive to make this a 59-50 lead with 7 minutes 48 seconds remaining in the final quarter. Grand C short on that mid-range. Fatigue kicking in for that young man. As we see here, that zigzag move by Trey Chua. Napakahirap ng dukot sa ilalim, Coach Joseph.
Ginawa niyang cone yung bantay doon. Sinide-stepan niya lang with the up and under finish. Tingnan natin dito kung madadagdagan nila. Alam na yung pinaka-largest lead nila dito sa game natin is 10. So if a basket right here will bring it to 11 to 12. Yun na nga. Wow, what a defense right there by Grant. 2 seconds left here in the shot clock.
Good matchup there, Grant C and Trey Chua, but Trey Chua being called for a or technical foul there, retaliating to Grant C. Kanina pa sila nagkakaroon ng kamustahan dun sa loob eh. May pumigay itong si Trey Chua.
The game of basketball is not about physicality but also the mental game. So probably there's a trash talking or sinasabi sa kanya doon ni Grant to keep him off his rhythm or his game. Yun na nga, he retaliate and the referee sees it in a technical.
See here again, Yun, no? Yung block, yung nauna. Tapos, nagka-contested doon ng possession. Yung nagkapatulan sa ilalim. But good thing about the coaching staff here of MGC New Life Christian Academy. They're really in control of their players. No? Kinausap kaagad ni Coach John Sia. No? This vital cog here. Trade Chua, 2 seconds to shoot for the green shirts. Let's see what they can do. Well, let's see what the referees will be calling. Again, a technical foul will be called. Uno High School.
So that's the second infraction of delaying the game. Yeah, actually, Grand C was called kanina in the first half. Ayun na nga, natawagan sila ng pangalawa dito.
Para mag-i-even out lang. Nabigyan ng technical foul doon si Trey Chua, but he missed on that technical free throw. And now, back to the action. 2 seconds remaining on the shot clock of MGC. Trey Chua inbounding. Gives it to Carre, but blocked by Austin Ramos. Nice anticipation there by Austin Ramos. Ian Perez trying to find a friend.
Austin Ramos is underrated defender kasi akala mo liit lang, hindi nakakatalon. Pero ang yung athleticism nitong batang to, talagang gugulatin ka sa depensa.
Meron akong professional player na natatandaan, although hindi sila magkaparehong posisyon, si Bong Hawkins, na tinatawag na The Hawk, pero hindi naman tumatalon. Pero ang ganda dumipensa, nakakapwesto para sa rebounds. Yung type ng player ni Austin Ramos sa depensa. As we see now, 3-on-2 break, Steven Choa. And it will be good for Steven Choa for Uno High School. Inches their way closer. 6 points ang hinahabol ngayon ng Uno High School. And Steven Choa will go all the way to cut this lead to 4 points. Coach John Sia had seen enough. They will call a timeout. 59-55 is our score. Let's see here, Steven Choa, 4 consecutive points, making the comeback here from Uno High School possible, and we will be back after this timeout.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
And we're now back in action as we see here in the Don Domingo YouTube Memorial Gymnasium, the Uno faithful cheering on their beloved team as they inch their way closer. Naibaba na po sa 4 na puntos ang kalamangan ng MGC New Life Christian Academy with that 2 consecutive baskets by...
That's a 5-0 run.
5-0 run here by Uno High School. 59-55.
Good pressure defense right there by Uno. What a drive by Adrian Tan, absorbing the contact there. Balik yung kalamangan dito sa 6. What a good timeout right there. Yung ginawa din ni Coach John Sia. He needs to stop the crowd, stop the momentum of Uno.
Steven Choa being bothered by 2 green shirts. Cross-court pass to Cheyam Bautista from 3-point line, no good. Bola makukuha ng mga nakaberde. Wesley Co protecting the rock there. 6-point lead for MGC.
That's only the second personal foul of Grand C right there. Pero that's only their first team foul. So kita natin dito rin yung disiplina itong Uno sa depensa. Even though that they're pressing, hindi sila ma-foul.
Adrian Tan, corner 3, strong, and that's right. Forward pass, Austin Ramos to Chua, but buttered by the defense of Trey Chua. Babalik ang bola ngayon sa MGC New Life Christian Academy. Crowd going berserk.
Ay, hindi nila nagustuhan doon because sa side nila yung nangyari. Kaya ito yung mga students ng Uno, they're complaining to the referee, pero play goes on. Bola dito ng green shirts.
Unaeans knowing their basketball, standing up there as zigzags, no good. Austin Ramos would want to create for Uno High School. Oh! Pass too strong underneath, intended for Ian Perez. Empty possession there. Lost opportunity para maibaba man lang ulit sa 4 ang kalamangan nitong MGC New Life Christian Academy.
Pag nakasubaybay ka dito sa season 11 natin, alam mo, itong fourth quarter, ito yung kalaban ng MGC. So, kung ikaw yung team sa kabila, talagang you need to capitalize. Pero MGC is they have a better script right now in this ball game. And a better fourth quarter lead by Adrian Tan. And ito with an end one basket para dito kay Wesley Ko. Tingnan natin dito itong replay.
Chua recognizing the collapse on defense there. Wesley Ko free inside for the hoop and the harm. And nakuha pa nila ngayon yung possession, extra opportunity here. Adam Uy pops from way beyond. The bank is open at 6:15 p.m. for Adam Uy. Stretches the lead of MGC New Life Christian Academy to 11, 66-55. But we have a foul here. Uno High School. Team captain of MGC New Life, Wesley Ko. Third personal foul. Second team foul here for MGC. 15 seconds to shoot. Give and go, Steven Chua. But sumobra ang gigil. Nabitawan ang bola, turnover.
Still 4 minutes and 30 seconds left here in the fourth quarter. Wala pa pong natatalo dito. Yes, it's a 11-point lead. Pero if you have Steven Chua and Austin and Grant on the floor, wala pang imposible para dito sa White Shirts.
Anything can happen at this moment. Given the three-headed monster of Uno High School. Adam Uy would have to have another plan. Nothing there. Austin Ramos gives it to J.M. Bautista. Grand C fakes, but short. Second serving is good for Grand C.
Matagal nakatayo si Adam Uy doon, kaya naging 4 against 5 in that sequence. Parang nabudega siya doon. Pagka-drive niya, parang natamaan itong kidney area niya. Pero he's still signaling a thumbs up to Coach John. Giving Coach John a go signal that I'm still good, that I can play.
Carl Witt driving strong to the basket. Being fouled upstairs. 5.7 rebounds for Carl Witt. Quality minutes for MGC Christian Academy.
The history of these two teams having a one championship each. Kumbaga yung unang championship, unang season natin dito, nakuha nitong Uno. I think this is the 4th season na nalo naman dito itong MGC against the St. Jude Catholic School. That's their only championships para dito sa 10-year na, the 11th season na natin dito. So may tig-isa na itong dalawang to. So both organization and both schools wanted to have more than one. Diba? Kumbaga, well, the road to the championship is right now. It's battling for number 2 spot.
See Steven Chua giving it all that possession. Hindi lang na-recognize doon ni Steven Chua, no? Yung mga libre niyang kakampi sa kaliwat kanan. Defense collapsing on him. 3 green shirts bothering him. Still forcing his way inside. They have the chance now to recycle the offense with 11 seconds on their shot clock. 3 minutes 25 seconds here remaining in the fourth quarter. 67-57. MGC New Life Christian Academy. Austin Ramos tries his hand from 3. Too strong. And they will retain possession with 6 seconds to shoot for Uno High School. And Coach Matthew Yu would want to talk things over. Timeout Uno High School. They're down by 10, 67-57. We'll be back.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
MGC New Life Christian Academy leading by 10, 67-57. And still, no? See the t-shirt of their fallen teammate there, Gab Gamboa. No? Still, they're hanging on one of the space at the bench of MGC New Life Christian Academy. Nagsisimbolize na nandito pa rin sa puso at isip nila yung kanilang fallen teammate Gab Gamboa. Yun na nga siguro ang kanilang nagiging inspiration. Why are they really giving everything, leaving on the floor in this game? Oh, lazy pass there. Empty possession after a timeout. Coach Joseph for Uno High School lost opportunity for the boys
of
Coach
It's frustrating as a coach coming off a timeout and a turnover. Yun yung makukuha mo. Pero yun na nga, the play goes on. 3 minutes and 18, one good stop, one good play defense, and tuloy pa rin tayo.
Carl Reh receiving the inbounds pass. It's against Steven Choa. Left 10 seconds to shoot. He would want to dance his way inside, but he would lose the ball. And they will retain possession. MGC New Life Christian Academy, 6 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes, 8 seconds remaining in the payoff period. Uno High School versus MGC New Life Christian Academy. Maddox Lim gives it to Adam Uy. Driving strong, but he will be fouled there. Will be buttered as he drove strong to the basket. Bad news for Coach Matthew Yu. Fourth personal foul by Steven Choa.
So, added breathing room para dito sa MGC. Ako baga, nakakainga na sa 10-point lead, pero mas gusto nyo pang dadagdagan to with 3 minutes left here in the fourth quarter.
Steven Choa, 18.6 rebounds, but jump ball situation, possession arrow will be for MGC New Life Christian Academy. 14 seconds for them. 3 minutes, 2 seconds remaining. 11-point lead for the green shirts. Adam Uy would want to make his move. Oh, ankle breaker. Adam Uy wanted that three. Give and go. Sotinko to Adam Uy. No good. Sotinko recovers it.
Look at this kid, Kurt Sotinko, keeping the ball alive, banging body. That's the fourth time, pero hindi eh. Para nakita ng referee, there's a foul. Look at the effort of Kurt Sotinko, this 14-year-old kid. Sabi nga natin, sobrang dami papahirapan ito sa ating liga. Probably this is 3 to 4 more years of playing years para dito sa MGC.
I was talking to Coach John earlier. Ito nga, naka-in place na talaga yung programa nila. No? From the kids and this 18 under team as we see here. J.M. Bautista strong on the 3-point attempt. JM Bautista, no? Frustrated here in this game. Norms of 9.7 points. 8 points now for JM Bautista, but he's really missing it from way beyond. Adrian Tan kicks out to Maddox Lim. Ho, Aramuy, 10 seconds to shoot. Against Steven Choa, uses that cross screen, pulls up from mid-range, no good. Ian Perez secures the board as we enter the twilight zone of this ball game. Last 2 minutes. Austin Ramos, but he throws the ball. Austin Ramos down on the floor. 4 laban sa 5 ngayon, MGC New Life Christian Academy, but play would be stopped there as Austin Ramos splattered on the floor, grimaces in pain. See the frustration of the leader of Uno High School as he exclaims his frustration, his pain now. Mukhang cramps, no, Coach Joseph?
Oh yes, so kita natin dito sa area natin. Yun na nga, bumigay na nga to si Austin, playing with 35 minutes here in this ball game. So talagang hindi lang 35 minutes yun, 35 minutes na action na talagang siya talaga nagtitibod, siya nagdadala ng bola, play high intensity defense, siya pa nagdidictate ng pace dito na para sa Uno. And well, with 1 minute and 44 seconds, they're down by 11. Hindi pa naman natin pwedeng sabihin na wala na sila dito. Diba? Kumbaga, ilalaban mo pa to kung ikaw si Coach Matthew until to the last second, until to the final buzzer.
Which is why Steven Choa is still on the game, even though he has 4 personal fouls. JM Bautista off night today, producing less than expected of him. Carl, we're using that Adrian Tran screen. Drive strong, no call there. Bola babalik sa mga nakaputi at asul ng Uno High School. 1 minute 34 seconds remaining, 23 seconds. Uno High School now. Cross-court pass to JM Bautista. But intercepted by
Trey Chua.
But bola babalik sa Uno High School. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Kurt Sotinko now replacing Wesley Ko. Steven Choa. Malaking bagay yung foul problem nito, no? Floater, no good. Ian Perez still battling inside.
Also, Steven Choa holding is also in his calf. So, parang bibitaw na rin dito itong paa ni Steven.
Missing the production here for Uno High School. Jarvis Mari.
Look at this kid is back on the floor after remissing in pain dun sa cramps niya. Talagang no letdown for this kid.
Giving it all. Grand C strong on that corner 3. Unti-unti nang nauubusan ng oras kayo ng Uno High School. Last 1 minute 5 seconds remaining. 11 puntos sa kalabangan. Adam Uy escapes his defender, fakes the pass, and uses the bank on that layup. 13-point lead, 70-57. MGC New Life Christian Academy. 50 seconds remaining. Austin Ramos, last gasp to make it a 10-point lead.
The heart of this kid is unmeasurable. Yan yung masasabi natin dito. Akala mo hindi na siya makakabalik dito. Siya pa rin makakascore dito. And he played that. Kumbaga, ito pa rin siya playing defense with only one leg playing here in this ball game.
Exemplary performance here by Austin Ramos. Last 28 seconds remaining. 6 seconds to shoot here for MGC New Life Christian Academy. One last stop. Let's see here. What would Uno High School do? Adam Uy, 5 seconds to shoot. Kicks it out. Carl Red as he knows it. 1 second. And that will be it. The dagger of a 3 for Carl Ray to make it 73-60. Last 70 seconds. Ian Perez, 3-point shot, no good. Adrian Tan secures it for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Penalty situation for Uno High School. Let's see. What a tough three-pointer there.
So, is it safe to say that MGC New Lifers will get the number 2 spot, while itong Uno will gonna fall down into number 3? They'll be against PCC on the quarterfinals. So, on the quarters, balikan natin, Uno will have the twice to beat advantage, and who will win on that series between Uno and the PCC, yun yung makakalaban ulit ng MGC sa semifinals natin.
Yes. Tough road there for Uno High School. Will face the likes of Froy Limson, Kim Kai of PCC in the quarterfinals. 12.5 seconds remaining. 75-60. Impending win here for the MGC New Life Christian Academy. Steven Choa not giving up. Kicks out to Wang Tachi from way beyond. And he will hit from the three-point land. And that will be it. MGC New Life Christian Academy clinches the second spot in the semifinals of the 11th season of the Philippine Qingyin Athletic Association season with a 75-62 win over the Uno High School, who will battle the Philippine Cultural College in the quarterfinals. Splendid game here played by the boys of Coach John Sia.
So talagang pinakita sa atin dito ng MGC that no more fourth quarter letdown. It's a different team and came to the playoffs. You know, yung Uno naman, they played their hearts out coming from the win against the St. Stephen, giving the St. Stephen the first loss. Pero yun na nga, the real season starts because these two teams now they're on the place to play on the playoffs. So hats off nga sa mga two coaches natin who prepare for this game.
See now the highlights of the game. Adam Uy, his usual heroics here, bringing MGC New Life Christian Academy to the promised land, clinching the number 2 spot, but not against the tough stand against Uno High School, who are proudly singing their school hymn right now. Ian Perez, one of the heroes today for Uno High School, and the usual heroics of Austin Ramos. Jack Cheng providing support there for Coach John Sia. Bench points here naungusan ng MGC New Life Christian Academy. 15-8 ang Uno. A big advantage there. Spelled the difference in this 13-point win of MGC New Life Christian Academy to clinch the number 2 spot. And our best player of the ball game will be Adam Uy, who scored 19 points, spearheaded the attack of the New Lifers. Steady game here being shown the highlights for Adam Uy.
So, kita natin dito how steady is this kid, Adam Uy. Talagang siya yung hinahanap na leader dito ni Coach John Sia. When Coach John Sia needed a basket, siya yung nagbibigay doon. when Uno got run, siya rin nagtitimon doon, siya rin yung mga nagda-drop pass doon. So talagang he is worthy to be named as the best player in this game.
At unang offering pa lamang po namin yan, exciting na. Sunod pong excitement ang dadali namin sa inyo for our second game between St. Jude Catholic School against the Jubilee Christian Academy for our second game. Magbabalik po kami ni Coach Joseph Guion. Second game, St. Jude Catholic School, Jubilee Christian Academy. Dito lamang sa Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium of Uno High School. Pabalik po kami for the second game.
Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.